Are you working on a school or university research project, BSc, Master of Science, or PhD? My Thesis GPT gives you helpful AI tools directly inside ChatGPT that make your chapter 1 to 5 research process easier, more professional, and properly organized. It guides you in planning your chapters and shows you exactly what each section, like your introduction, literature review, methodology, data analysis, and findings, should include. You also get powerful tools for data analysis and interpretation with step-by-step support for creating tables, charts, and figures, making your results clearer, stronger, and much easier to explain. My Thesis GPT also helps you handle your academic references with guidance for formatting in text citations and reference lists in APA, MLA, Chicago, and more. So if you want your research to sound more human, more organized, and more polished from start to finish, My Thesis GPT is your complete toolkit. Visit missciasgpt.com to explore all the tools